Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write a merch by Amazon title for Christmas.
All right, yo, what's up guys? So in this video, we're gonna create a merch listing. So if you guys haven't checked out my Christmas video that I did research on, check it out up above. I have the link right here. So we have a awesome Santa Claus skateboarding. And he's up in the air doing a little, I'm not sure exactly what he's doing, but on the bottom of the deck, it says ho, ho, ho. And then on the wheels, it has a snowflake. Pretty awesome. Pretty dope, right? Really detailed, really cool. In this video, we're going to use Merch Informer to create brand. And no, in the previous video, I accidentally switched the title and the brand. Sorry about that, guys. My bad. My bad. I made a little mistake right there. So what we did was come over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on one long tail keyword. If you can fit another long tail keyword in the title, it's even better, right? Because you can get double the traffic, triple the traffic, right? And then we're going to leverage that long tail keyword. We're going to put in the brand, put it in the beginning of the title, and then try to put some more keywords at the end of the first long tail keyword. Hopefully we can find the second long tail keyword. Of course, that takes a little bit more time. And I'm just going to get straight to the point. This is the most important thing too as well. When you're doing this type of research, you want to figure out the keywords for your niche. Because if you figure out the customer is searching for that exact long tail keyword, of course the customer doesn't know what a long tail keyword is. They're more worried about buying a product, and the algorithm on Amazon is more worried about giving them the product they want. So if they type in that search phrase, and you think that they're searching for that product, and you give the customer what they want, and they make a purchase, the algorithm is gonna freaking love you, right? Because that's what it's supposed to do, right? So learning the algorithm to the best of your ability is one of the most important things on any marketplace, any platform that you're selling something on, right? So we're going to come over to Merch Informer. I typed in Santa skateboarding. Boom. Search volume 546. Google search volume 390. So this right here, Santa skateboarding, I kind of just typed in two keywords related to this actual design. Obviously, Santa skateboarding, right? That's the first thing that popped in my mind. And then I came over here to product search. Okay, so I did a product search, and you can see there's another Santa skateboarder right here, right? And as you look in here, I typed that in, the keyword, searched it. It's actually spitting out some stuff in here. It's telling the keyword count, Santa skateboarding, Christmas, Claus, funny, and it's kind of giving you these little numbers up above right here. So like this is big right here, because this is going to, and you can see right here, related keywords: Santa skateboarding ornament, Santa or skateboarding stickers, Santa Cruz. Now you got to be careful. I think Santa Cruz is obviously like a little brand. So we're obviously not targeting that. We're going to try to target funny Santa skateboarding. So as I look at this right here, you can see like there's the top selling designs over here. There's this one. There's an elf skateboarding, Santa dabbing on a skateboard. I come in here and can see funny Santa Claus Christmas skateboarding. Funny Santa Claus Christmas skateboarding actually sounds pretty good. So I'm trying to figure out a way that a customer is searching funny Christmas or funny Santa Claus skateboarding Christmas. Let's see if that fits. Will it fit? Yes, it will. Okay, so we're going to try to target this long tail keyword, right? So we're targeting this long tail keyword. So the goal is, this is actually a really awesome long tail keyword, because we're putting that in it makes sense, of course. So if they come in, they search funny Santa skateboarding, we're still going to pop up, right? It's pretty close. But obviously too, this is going to help, because if you know your niche, you're going to know your keywords, right? You're going to know how customers are searching for your keywords in your niche. That's going to benefit you, and you're going to make more sales, right? Now, as me coming into a new niche, I'm trying to figure out what good keywords are popping up in the search bar, and trying to figure out what customers are searching for to find my product, right? And this is the struggle. This is the process of learning something new, learning a new niche, and trying to be the best of it. Of course, there's other ways you can learn by doing certain things, but we're using Merch Informer to help us to pull up some keywords in this niche. And obviously, it's pulling up a ton of keywords in here to help us out, and it's making it a little bit easier. You can see that. So there's skater, there's skater, skateboard. Of course, you don't want to put nothing like describing the actual shirt itself. So you want to stay away from that. So there's gift, skater, and then we have another 6 words that we can put in. As we come back over here, costume, premium, no, we can't use none of that. Machine, maybe skateboard, right? Let's see. Can we fit skateboard? No, we can't. Skater. Let's do skateboard. Let's try skateboard. Okay, let's put skateboard in there. Okay, skateboarding, Let's just do let's just do skater. No, you can see I actually searched it funny. Santa skateboarding, type that in. You can see other keywords in here and it's pulling up a lot of the skateboard niche and putting it together for us to give us a better idea. You obviously doing research on the platform is going to help you make a better idea when it comes to keywords too, because you can see what your competition is doing. All right. And just the name of the game, guys, the name of the game, Christmas, maybe even like just tossing Xmas in there. But for now, I think let's put in Xmas. That might be Miss Skater Xmas. Let's do Xmas in there. Toss that in there. And then, we got ourselves a decent looking title and brand. In bullet point 1, bullet point 2, I would put 2 long tail keywords related to your design. Okay. And then copy bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and throw it in the description. Right. And that is exactly how I would do the title and the brand. Right. And of course, once it goes live, if you have access to AMS, run it. Okay, run it. I've been making sales within the next day on certain shirts that I upload. I'll make a sale like the next day. And it's literally happened this week because it just focusing on your niche, seeing what long tail keywords that you already know that your customer is searching for to find these products. You add those in there. The goal is to rank for 2 long tail keywords in the title, rank for that one long tail keyword that you want to rank for in the brand. I usually add it right here at the beginning of the title, and then the second part of the title, you want to try to rank for another long tail keyword. And then exactly as I explained throughout the rest of the bullet point 1, bullet point 2 and description, and list that bad boy, make that money, and check out my other videos right here. So hopefully this video helped you. Any questions, comment down below.